Hello everybody. Here I'm showing you my blooms, and because they're changing almost every day, I showed you when they were just starting to bloom and some couple of buds opening, but now a lot of them are like giving their all of their best to show their blooms. And I'm very surprised that they are very actively blooming. You know this phalaenopsis, a Jaho pink girl, and of course my burgundy phalaenopsis. This one is still about to open. My Sogo Vivienne, as you could see here, and then my orange mini phalaenopsis, and of course my ruby red mini cattleya, with the seed pod, as you could see here, because I crossed it with little stars, Brassavola little stars. And of course my violets that are very floriferous right now, especially this variegated one. I really like the deep royal purple hue on the flowers, and of course the variegation that's on the leaves. As you can see, it has a pink tinge. Very nice. It's almost iridescent, as you could see there. It seems like it's glowing on the edges. Very beautiful. And here is the Cajun's Cajun, or Cajun's Cajun. I'll just put the names on the description, but yeah, the edges on this one is spectacular, and it's starting to show its variegation on the leaves, as you could see there. And of course, comfort zone, very nice. And a whisper blue, also variegated. I really like this one because the blue is really very subtle. I like the light coloring on this one. And the nice thing about this, guys, is that they're really easy to take care of. You just have to water them regularly. Alright. Let's take another one here. I have another one here which is also variegated. Very beautiful variegation on the leaves, as you can see. It's almost like splattered. Isn't it? Does it look nice? There's all like different shades of green on this variegation, right? It's very beautiful. The flowers are not that bad too. They look like pink lettuce leaves. I don't quite understand how they become a flower. As you can see there. It's very ruffled. Sometimes it's too heavy that just plops off like that. Well, anyway, so these are pretty much my African violets in bloom, and I have others that are still on their way. I could see little buds on them, and they're just easy to take care of. That's why I have them. They're very floriferous. Alright. And of course, you know my Tolumia is in bloom with two other spikes. And the interesting thing about this one is that it's still showing up some color, these patterns on its lip. As you could see, the spots are still there. I mean, not still there. I mean, it's still showing up. So it really evolves through the time it first bloomed, and the color change is still happening even like almost after 2 weeks since it bloomed. All right. And of course my yellow phalaenopsis there. And what's filling my growing area with a lot of fragrance is this guy here. You would know this as the Maxillaria, tenuifolia, or the coconut orchid. It smells like Samoa Girl Scout cookies here. It's like coconut, but there's like a hint of like chocolate also. So for me, it smells like that because I just bought Samoa Girl Scout cookies and they smell like this, but like 10 times stronger. It's really strong. This is still about to bloom here, and there's like this red spots on its lip, and there's so many buds on this one. So you could see there's so many unopened buds around all of the new growths. Pretty much each new growth, a lot of them has 2 flowers for each growth. Yeah. So yeah, that's like a prolific blooming for just one orchid. And it's not specimen size even. It's just a regular size coconut orchid. And I'm growing it in water. As you can see here, there's not much medium here, but just styrofoam. It doesn't have much. I mean, I put some moss, but very little, just to space in and just to keep it moist longer. But pretty much it's just water. So it's almost this is like the if you would look on my videos about lazy watering methods, this is the one that I featured, and also the twinkle oncidium, which is also in just water, pretty much just water and styrofoam. Yeah, so there you see some of them are still opening, still opening, still opening, and that's the whole plant there. The leaves are much shorter compared to when I bought it, because I think it was getting a lot of light from the fluorescent bulbs, and it's starting to yellow. Imagine that. I mean, it's not even outside the house, but there was too much light for it that it's like, oh, that's too much light. I have to like not grow my leaves too long, because they're known to have very long leaves when there's not much enough light. So yeah, I will make a update again soon once all of these blooms are open. And since there are only like 5 open and it's already this strong up an aroma, I don't know if I would have to like move it somewhere so I won't get dizzy or anything, because it's really strong. It's almost like it's up your nose, but I'm not really trying to smell it, but you know, I'm kind of like intoxicated with the smell. But it's a good feeling. Feeling of like trying to smell Samoa cookies, but from orchids. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna make an update very soon with this one. Really soon. Alright. So going back to these guys here. So well, basically I grow these guys, the violets, with a like a tray, a watering tray. So I don't have to water them each one by one. So I just dump the water on the tray where they sit, and they get all watered, and that's it. Yeah, and I'm really into variegations of these guys here. Really nice. Alright, so that's pretty much my update. Let me know if I need to update on anything else, because I think I have enough plants that I even don't like get updates from them myself. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Indoor Gardener, and also like my videos, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell icon so you would get updates from me. And thank you for the comments lately. I mean, a lot of people are commenting on my videos, and thank you for them. Shout out to Pat and Denise and New York City Queen. Forgot the total name, but I know she worked with Orchid Dude BCN, and well, Svetlana, yeah, and a lot of more people. So shout out to those guys who always like keep on cheering on me to grow well my orchids and other blooms. And yeah, I'll keep posting and trying to reply to your comments also. Okay, happy growing, my orchid friends, and have a nice day.